Hi, my name is Anil. I'm an electrical safety officer at Technical Safety BC. Figuring out if you need an electrical operating permit can be confusing. You might be wondering, do I even require one of these permits? Let's break it down and review the qualifications required. Operating permits are essential to meet regulatory requirements for the operation and maintenance of electrical equipment. If you own or manage sites such as educational facilities, hospitals, multi-occupancy buildings, manufacturing plants, or recreational facilities, chances are you need an electrical operating permit. A permit is also required if your building has an emergency service system or a fire alarm system, or operates in a hazardous environment. They are also required for equipment that need regular maintenance, operates at a voltage greater than 750, or has a service capacity over 250 kilovolt amp. To learn more about electrical operating permits and to see if you qualify for one, visit technicalsafetybc.ca.